So a different kind of UI basically if you're using Android 12, Android 12.1, Android 13. Unfortunately, Google disappointed a lot of users. They were looking for something unique. Unfortunately, they didn't got. But Motorola's MyUI basically version 4.0 based on Android 12, as I've installed a ported ROM on Redmi Note 8. I'm not going to talk about this port, that how this is going on, etc, etc. I'm just going to show you some of the differences between the stock Android, like the Google's stock Android 12 with this comparison with this one MyUI 4.0, which includes a very good kind of UI, something different, something unique. So let's get started as quickly as possible. Yes, it's based on Android 12 and stock Android 12 from Google Pixel. You already know about that, so not going to talk about that. First of all, as this MyUI is based on stock one, it has the Moto's launcher, and I think so I made a video on this launcher, ported launcher, but that was long time ago. And this version in this MyUI, yes, it has the Moto's launcher, and in my personal opinion, this is quite good if you compare it with the Pixel launcher. Pixel launcher is quite good by the way, but this one is not so bad either. You can use this if you want to, and if you are a Motorola user, if you're using MyUI 14, MyUI 4, you can let me know in comment box that how the things are going on for you. In my personal opinion, I just love this quick settings panel. This is super good, super awesome, and if you compare it with the stock Android 12, I don't think so there's any comparison between that, because that one is not bad. It's just my opinion, of course, not bad, but this one is just good. It's just super good. You can see the how this UI is looking like. Yes, it will also support Monet, but this is how it is looking like. It also gives you some personalized option, which includes some of the customizations. Basically, for example, you have colors customizations, you have some theming related customizations, you can customize icon shape and a lot more things. The things basically which you have in stock Android also, but in this case the things are a bit of different. I mean, the way to customize these things is a bit of different. You also have some of the customizations related to sounds, font, theming you just saw, and all these things which are available in this one. So MyUI 4.0 is at least something different, something unique in the terms of Android or Android community. One more thing I liked about this one is the light mode and dark mode and the transition mode. You can see the preview is quite good, and this is the transition which will automatically locate that how, which is what is the time going on, and according to daytime it will give you the light mode, and at night it will give you it will automatically activate the dark mode. Yes, the feature might be available in stock Android too, but the UI is kind of different. In home screen layout, if you're able to notice, this is what we have. This is preview. You can check out the preview by applying any layout. For once, you can see 4x6, 4x4, 3x4. You can see more UI options, more layout options which are not available in stock Android, unfortunately. I always use 5x5 and that's there. If I talk about some gestures option, you can see there are few of the extra gestures options available. We have power touch, 3-finger screenshot, and swipe to split. One thing which I have noticed here is all these gestures are available, might be available in stock Android also, but you can see the preview. This is quite good for some of the users who don't know how these things work. They have a small clip, small preview available, which is quite good. You can use power touch, and yes, these are something really good features. And yes, if you are a sound modes lover, if you love to listen songs, music on your devices, then you need Dolby, and Moto Dolby is their very good sound equalizer, and I always use this thing. You can also use Moto Dolby as an equalizer, as a Magisk module on some of your devices. I think so I made a video on that one. You can check out my Magisk module video, and if you need that, let me know in the comment box and I will try to give you the link for that too. This is about the Moto Dolby, what we have included in this version. In MyUI 4.0 you have Moto Dolby, but other than else, if I move on to the settings UI, you can see this is pure stock Android. It's maybe nearby stock Android because stock Android is actually stock, but this is customized stock Android, which does not give you any major or unique changes in settings UI like some custom ROMs like Ancient OS or even Project Elixir. But in this version, Like stock, it has better options. One more thing which I liked about this is optimized charging. This feature unfortunately is not present in stock Android as far as I know, where you can use this option charge more efficiently to keep your battery healthy. It's basically related to battery health, and it's basically, if I'm not wrong, is related like iPhone. Like iPhone also has optimized charging features, so this is what we have. And yes, overcharge protection is also quite good. I just love these features, and unfortunately these features are not available in stock Android, and maybe in upcoming days, upcoming future, we'll see some of the changes which might be included in the Google's latest update with Android 14, Android 15. Let's see what's happened in the future. It also includes a multi-volume feature, which basically lets you control the individual volume of multiple apps. So yes, this is kind of basic, and but you can see the UI, and as I just mentioned, the preview, etc. These things are present. It also gives you some quick view display where you can customize the clock if you want to. And yes, these things are present in Moto's MyUI 4.0, the latest Moto's software version. One of the most trending things in custom rooms. Unfortunately, this is available as a custom room for some of the devices, but some of the devices did not got this. If your device has this custom room available, go ahead and install this right now. This is super good. In performance, we have the quick launch option, we have the RAM booster. Unfortunately, these options are also not available in the stock Android. Stock Android is super good, like AOSP are actually quite good, but if you compare it with this MyUI 4.0, I think so MyUI 4.0 is far ahead of the Google's stock Android. It's just my personal opinion, my preference, so I'm not talking about yours. It also includes video call effect, so basically it has some Moto's unique features available which was expected to. So all these options are present when you're in video call. You can apply effects such as background blur and like subject tracking, audio zoom to enhance your video experience. One more thing which I just missed here is the quick setting style. The quick setting style which I've shown you at the starting of the video, I just love that. But if you are one of the users who don't like that quick settings panel, you can restore the stock one like this. The one which you have in Google's stock Android, that's already present here too. You have the option to customize that. You have the option to use this or either that. The option is available in MIUI also. Not talking about the stock this kind of UI, but only few of the changes like MIUI 11 style or MIUI 12 or 13 style. Same with this one, so it's up to you. If you want to use this thing, you can, or if you want to skip this, you can. This is about today's short and simple video. This is about my first experience about Moto's MyUI 4.0. I tried first time this UI. I just love this thing, and if you also love this thing, make sure to like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.